Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Harmony Time on KNN. On Monday, we started talking about silence. We talked about different ways in which we can use silence during our day and how it can help us solve problems and stay calm. I asked you on Monday when you use silence during your day. Everyone took a minute and thought about it, and then we listened to some different ways in which we can use silence. Today, I want to talk about how silence can help us solve problems. We learned for weeks and weeks and weeks that there are different steps to help us solve a problem. And one of those steps is to take a step back and to stop. When we stop, that is a great time for us to use silence. A great time for us to meditate or take a deep breath. So if I have a problem, maybe I'm at recess and somebody said something very mean to me and I didn't like what they said. I can stop. And before I say anything, I can use silence. I can take a deep breath. And let my mind clear. Let my heart breathe before I say something I might not want to say. Or so that way I can think of a better way to solve the problem. If somebody says something mean to me, that hurts my feelings. And right away, I want to turn around and maybe yell something back to them. Maybe it's something mean, because maybe I want them to feel the same way I felt. But if I stop and I use silence, I can think it through just a little bit more and realize that if I do that, it does not help me solve the problem. I will continue to blame others, and the problem might only grow. So using silence can help me stop the problem from growing. So if I take a deep breath or meditate, that might show me that instead, a better way to solve the problem might be to go get a teacher's help or to tell that person that hurt my feelings and I don't like it when you say those things. That is just one example of how using silence can help us solve problems. On Monday, we also talked about how using silence can help us solve problems with our schoolwork. Maybe the math work that I've been doing for a while has gotten very challenging and I don't know what to do anymore. I just keep looking at the same problem over and over again, but I can't come up with the answer. Instead of getting mad and wanting to throw my paper off the table, I can use silence. Again, taking a deep breath. And clearing my mind. So that way, when I go back to the problem, I can look at it a little bit differently, and maybe I can find a better way to solve it. And if I still have trouble solving it, because we all know that happens sometimes, if I still have trouble solving it, I can ask for help. Maybe I can talk to a teacher or a friend, and I can practice that way. But taking that time to take a deep breath gave me time to think about other things I could try instead of getting angry and shoving the paper off my table. So silence gives us time to think and to feel, but also it helps us solve our problems. So now I challenge all of you, when you are faced with a problem today, try using silence. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what you used silence for and if it worked. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye, everyone.